Yeah, we're back.
This video, we're going to show you our weekly meals that we do, which are nice and easy and simple. If we can do it in a van, you can do it in everyday life. It's nice and easy. So, the first meal we're making is a Japanese curry. Pretty simple. Don't have the box here because we bought a bigger box. We've chucked it out already. But the brand is S&B, and that's pretty much your main flavour ingredient of the curry. Some frozen veg, some potatoes, depending on whether you want rice with curry, with rice, which I always like to have rice with my curry. Some people out there just like to have the curry itself. But
who's that?
Rice. Who's that? Yeah, weird people. Don't hang out with those people. Pretty straightforward. I'll take you through the process of onion as well. But yes, take you through the process of cooking it.
I don't think we have an onion.
That hurts. So we figured out that about half a cup to 3/4 is usually enough rice for the both of us for this one night. We'll make a batch enough to make it out for 2 nights. So we like to have fresh rice each night. I would cut up the potatoes. I usually cut them up into little chunks like this. So we're going to get our big wok, put some oil on it, heat it up, and I'll be chucking in potatoes, our frozen veg, and putting water in it and letting that boil cook for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, until the potatoes soft, really.
Here's what it looks like, and it actually tasted perfectly delicious without the onion. So 12 out of 10 recommend. Super duper easy, super duper cheap. It'll be good for 4 nights. What? 4 meals, 4 dishes. Yeah.
What?
I don't know.
Why are you doing this?
I don't know.
Tonight I'm going to be making a Hokkien noodle soy-based stir fry. So ingredients, we have an onion. We have some carrots, a capsicum, broccoli, red chili, and a can of baby corn. We also have our soy sauces that we're going to be putting into it as well. And obviously we have our Hokkien noodles, which will go in as well. The first step I'm going to do is, get to chopping.
We also have garlic here.
Once we all have that cut up, it's time to start cooking. Get our wok, drizzle a little bit of oil in there. It's been about 5 to 10 minutes. See the broccoli is getting a little bright green to it. Chuck the rest of the veggies in, which is the corn and the capsicum, or as you weird people in Canada say, pepper. Bell pepper. So I've got the premium dark one, which is a normal soy sauce, and I got this sweet soy sauce. This is a bit thicker. So next I'm gonna go soy sauce. Now I don't really measure any of this, it's just the old eyeball. So we just keep squirt, you know. I use some sweet soy sauce, which is a lot thicker, syrupy, which a little bit of this and a little bit of that, you know. And then after that, I go the nudes. So pour those in, and Bob's your uncle. If you feel like it's not saucy enough, just chuck some more sauce in. Stab into it. If it's fairly soft and goes through, then you're good to go. Here is the finished product. Vegan deliciousness. What we're cooking tonight. It is a authentic Thai red curry. We use these Exotic Foods as a brand. You can get these red, orange, yellow, green, purple, brown, blue. Some of those might be false, but you'll have to find out yourself. Coconut milk. Also, you can get green lentils, brown, purple, pink. Some of those are false too. Carrots, potatoes, bell pepper, good old red hot chili pepper. So I'm going to start by peeling potatoes and carrots, chopping those up. Also going to have an onion and garlic. Diced up the onion, got the garlic here ready, and inside here I've got the capsicum, potatoes and carrots all diced up as well. Got my rice all washed, chuck some oil on it, chuck the onion on, then the garlic, and then we'll put the veggies on after that. Let that cook for 5-10 minutes with the curry paste. Actually, we'll put the curry paste in with the onion. Now, I'm only going to use half a jar, but do a few spoonfuls so I feel like I've got half. And then we give that a mix around. Let it hit the heat and the oil. I'll just let this cook for about another minute, just so you start really getting those smells from the curry paste. Chucked all the veggies in. Once you chuck the veggies in, you just want to give it a mix around. Yeah, I'll cook this for 5 minutes. Chuck the chilies in. Me and Joe both like a bit of spice in our life, so the chili is always a go-to for us. Coconut milk. Get that all up in here. It's probably not enough liquid, so we're going to put a little bit of water in it as well. And then the lentils. Okay. Yeah, and then we'll let that simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I get this beautiful fluffy rice. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Beautiful red Thai curry.
I'm a sad girl today. Oh, the onion is so strong. I didn't even cut it yet. I was just peeling it. We are gonna be making burritos. Burritos! So this is what you need. Corn. Tomato. And onion. Hummus. Falafels. Chipotle wraps. We like to put jalapenos. We like it spicy, you know? We cut everything up into thirds.
Just chop it up.
Just chop it up. Now we're gonna throw these onto the pan, and then we'll put the capsicum on, and it'll be a lovely dance of flavors together. I'm gonna drop it in and hopefully not burn myself.
Eyes! I can't feel my eyes!
I have the too much gene, so I always want to overdo everything. I reckon these are probably done now. For keeping it a bit warmer. Next thing was oil. Falafel. And 8. Whee! The helper is going to lay out the wraps, and he's going to smear some of this on, and we're going to throw that on.
Use my hands.
There it is. This one's really good. Today we're making a spaghetti bog. It's gonna be delicious. This is what you need. Lentil, onion, spicy pepper, pasta, and some sauce. Bonus ingredient, nutritional yeast. Very healthy, it has about 5,000% every daily B vitamins, 12 out of 10 recommend. It tastes slightly cheesy, it's delicious. This nut meat, it's a bit tricky to get out of the can, so I'd recommend maybe taking it out first and then mashing it up. But some of us just aren't planners. So you cook the nut meat, I don't know how long. You can't overdo it. Probably gonna use half a kilo.
That little mixy mix.
I've just recently learned that you're supposed to actually rinse the lentils out of the can. The spicy boy. Straight up. Like so. This is actually smoked chili. And then we have some smoked paprika. On, get out! There you have it. This is one of our favorite dishes. It's super meaty, super filling, and I like to put some of this on top of mine.